plan to be impressed when you enter into the enclosed porch of this home. Cute and well-maintained describes this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Maintenance-free siding, 22 by 24 double garage, large main floor bedroom. Bath and main floor laundry is on most buyers' wish list, and this home has them all. The front porch offers heat-in doubles as the current owner's library plus a side room off of the porch offers extra space for a private office or craft room. Both the living and dining room offer bay windows, and the eat-in kitchen includes a large walk-in pantry combination laundry room. There is back room that Mr. Sellers calls his private space in the home as well. The upper level offers 2 more nice bedrooms, spacious full bath as well as a back sunroom overlooking the flower-filled backyard. Speaking of the yard, it will become your haven to unwind.